the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
pinky up, bonjour. Joe Byron needs to really take me out to dinner for real. What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. So I just woke up not too long ago and I just got ready. I just put on a hat real quick because we about to run a couple of errands. We have to go to Home Depot, we have to go to Five Below, and we gotta go to Kroger's. We are having a little get together. We're not really so much a get together, but Jackie's sisters is coming over to check out the house. Is it dark in here? Let me see. Ooh, that's bright. Is it bright? Ooh, that's bright. Let's stick with the natural light, period. And my parents are probably gonna come over as well, so it's like turning it into a thing when it really was supposed to be a thing. But anyway, it is what it is. They always welcome over here. I'm about to show y'all a couple of things. Oh, before I even get into the vlog, I hope you're doing good, boo. Everything going well with you. Let me know what you're doing today in the comments below. Hope you're in good spirits and positive. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that I got done to the house so far. Right now, I'm still trying to find a tray and something to put this, some white stuff to put in the little vases here. We gonna probably do that in the whole video though. I'm not gonna do it without y'all. Right now, I'm in the guest room. I'm about to show y'all a little update in here. But girl, I slept in here yesterday, so the bed is a little mess. Let me fix it. We still gotta put it together. We still gotta put it together. It's not together. It's not together, okay? But I still should have had the bed made, right? Before my company came in. But yep, this is how it's looking right now. Still, you know, nothing much. The black bed is in here. It has the studs on the side like that. So the guest room is definitely going to be black and silver. Let's head downstairs so we can go ahead and go to the store. Hopefully Jackie ready by now. We about to see. We got some progress. Oh, we got progress. He got pants on. Okay, he ready. He ready. He ready, y'all. Alright. So I made the cookie. Don't mind the TV. Jack got the TV on. But I made the cookie jars. I don't know if I recorded that a couple of days ago. But yeah, I made the cookie jars. Really cute. I put the bacon, what is it? The baking powder or something like that. I put it in the middle so it can keep it fresh. But you put it in like a little, you know, what is it called? Coffee holder, so it can stay fresh. We bake cookies. These are fresh, made from scratch. But we got to make some more today. I put the soap, what is it, the fabric softener in the picture already, but it's leaking. So I need to go see if they have another one of these because it's already messed up. That's probably why I didn't use it at my old place. Filled these jars up with flour, brown sugar, and regular sugar. It looks alright. What y'all think? Yeah. So I just put this little man I got from Ikea around the blender. He hugging the blender because I need to really get into loving more fruit smoothies so we can get our, you know, diet going on. Well, not really so much a diet, but if y'all want to join me, I'm gonna start doing more fruit smoothies in the morning. So that'll be like a meal replacement. But let me know in the comments below if y'all want to start that together. But anyways, let me show y'all. I kind of drank some of the detox water, which was actually disgusting. I need to pour it out. Next time I'm gonna take the what is it called, the lemon and lime things off of the side of it, because it just got so bitter. And I pranked Jackie and I gave him some of this and he freaking had a fit. It was so funny. I should have recorded it. What did I come in here to get? Oh, I came here to get this so I can get some coffee real quick. Like I told y'all, I love this caramel macchiato. This is my first time opening up right now. We made spaghetti the other day, so y'all should be proud of that. All right, I just need a little ice. Don't talk to us girls when we got our iced coffee. Pinky up. Bonjour. Oui, oui. Alright, that's enough. I'm looking at the like sink faucets. I'm at Home Depot now. I love this one. $2.79. That's not bad. I was looking for one like this but like black in it. That black one is sweet too. $2.19. Which one y'all like best? They both nice though. So I'm pricing these out because like I told y'all, I wanted to change the, you know, faucets in the house. Definitely in the bathroom as well. They got some black ones down here for $100. That's not bad. That's really cute to go in the bathroom. Y'all let me know. I like it though. But we in here to get some more paper blinds until our blinds come from Amazon. And we're here to get a shovel because it's snowing. So let's grab that real quick and let's get out of here. I don't know what I'm doing at Home Depot, bruh. I'm lost in the sauce. All right, after being lost for a minute and every customer service representative, what you call them? Sales agent, whatever, the helpers was running from me too. I got the stuff, y'all. I'll show y'all when we get home though. Let me ring up and get out of here. Can y'all believe that stuff was $57? Joe Byron needs to really take me out to dinner for real. What? It's a little bit of stuff. It's crazy. What is the world coming to? I gotta put all this stuff up. I'm so mad that I find another one of those dispensers like this one. So now I don't know what I'm gonna put my wash detergent in. But right now I'm about to put this stuff up. I'm not gonna do a whole haul, but we got a little orange juice, little drinks, stuff for the little shindiggy dig. We got the cable cords to hook up the cable. Just regular little snacks and stuff. Y'all seen that before, juice or whatever. But I do want to show y'all, get my crusty toes out of the camera. But I got this curtain for the guest bathroom upstairs. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I got a rod too. Clorox cleaner. But I got some strawberries. We're gonna probably use this for the jungle juice or my fruit smoothies. It's enough. So I went outside and grabbed it. It's this little throw. It was only $5. So I'm gonna roll it up and put it in the throw bin that we got from Marshall's. It's pretty big. I laid it out so y'all can see how big it is. Yeah, so it's pretty big. It's warm and soft. So for $5, that was good. So let's roll it up and put it in the bin. I got my foot massager on here. Girl, I be using it at work. My feet be on 10. That's why my mom had called me talking about, you ain't go to work today? No, I didn't go to work today. She be acting like she the manager or the owner of the place. Like, that job takes too much of my time. It should not be mandatory on Saturdays. Like, you have to like this video right now if you feel what I'm feeling. But yeah, so we got the throw in there looking all good, you know. Got the dark brown, got the little cream to match the fireplace a little bit. I still got to get 2 vases to put right here on the fireplace. And over here, I definitely want to do the mirror up there. So we still have to get that. And some like shelves for the wall. But we're waiting on the guy to come and mount the TV for the downstairs and the master bathroom. Not master bathroom, what the heck? Master bedroom. So I'm gonna show y'all that when it gets done as well. But right now, I need to put those groceries up. And I need to get cleaning and stuff. So let's do that. Alright, y'all. So I done put most of the groceries up. It's pretty together. So right now, I need to go ahead and change my dirty flowers out. They old and dead. That's the only thing I don't like about roses. They don't last long. They last about a week for me. Even if I put the flower food in there, I really try to take care of my centerpiece flowers. So for me to take care of them, they die easily. But anyways, we about to change them out. So I need to throw these away and pour that water out. Just pour it on in here. My flowers need some food, honey. The flowers from Walmart, as y'all saw. We didn't get them from Kroger's today. They aren't roses, so these will last longer, and they were only $10. Go ahead and cut it open. They got these boys all together. Y'all, I don't know if y'all remember that episode of Kardashians, or if y'all watch Kardashians. I don't watch it no more either, but I remember when I was watching them and Khloe was wiping the walls down. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I I'm getting borderline OCD in this place. I'm cleaning every freaking 5 seconds. Wiping walls down and stuff. Maybe because it's brand new, but I need to keep that up. That's a good habit to have. Anyways, I'm about to snip the bottom. I just add a slant. Y'all know how I do. That will make them last longer. So let's do that really quick at the sink. Okay, so now they are all cut and all good. I don't know what's wrong with this sad little flower right here, but she is hanging on by a thread, but we still gonna keep her. But yeah, they came together cute, y'all. So we're gonna put them on the island, I'm guessing. Actually, I'm gonna give them a little I'm gonna get them a little sun by the sink really quick. So I'm about to put over there by the sink. Got my little thing that's holding the soap thing still, because the sponge, because I haven't found a little set for this and this. Yeah, so we just working with this for right now. I got the vacuum right here because I'm about to vacuum. Whew. Another thing too, trying to carry this vacuum and broom up the stairs, that's a lot, man. That's a lot. Whew. I be like crawling like a puppy up the stairs. You know how you use your hands and your feet? That's me going up the stairs. Anywho, everything looks pretty much the same up here. I'm thinking, I already showed y'all. I just put this shower curtain up for right now. I got that shower rod, those hooks, and the curtain from Walmart. I'm gonna probably have to steam it out just so it's not looking too wrinkled or whatever. But yeah, I also got that from Amazon. I think I already showed y'all that in the other bathroom. But it's not really much decor in here because I wanna just do this black and brown. So yeah, I'm waiting to get some like a black base or something to put right there with some pampas grass or something like that. So we're gonna jazz this up pretty soon. We're gonna do that together, another video. So anyway, let me just start cleaning up around the house, and then I'm gonna call y'all, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a minute. All right, y'all, so as I'm putting stuff up, I forgot to show y'all, these is my favorite chips. Oh my gosh, I used to have these back in the day. I'm talking about back in the day like I'm freaking 40 years old. But I used to have these back when I was in high school, and they used to be coming in a container. Nah, they don't got that container taste, but they still good. I love them. They Asteroids by Hot Cheetos. Whew, baby, real good. Okay, the pantry still looking crazy, but snacks on snacks on snacks. I can't wait to put that popcorn machine together. I already had this bed. I don't know why you running, because if I need help putting it together, you're gonna have to come back. Don't run from me. The fruit holder, which I'm excited about, the famous fruit holder, the stainless steel one. I had to get it because I just figured it would go great with the stainless steel in the kitchen. So let's open it up.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling.
All right, y'all, so the cookies are looking good. We're going to put them in the jar pretty soon. Oh my gosh, they smell so good too. What is y'all favorite dessert? What do y'all like eating for dessert? Let me know in the comments below. This batch is different. It's the color changing. But yes, honey, it's really easy. Just take them and layer them. It's like doing one row, then one in the middle of both of them. And there we have it. We're done. This is the end result. They look pretty good. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, pretty easy. All right, y'all, so Jackie just brought the sandwiches from Potbelly, and we have the condiments here. So I'm about to set these up and put them on here. I'm gonna move the cups, move the candle. This candle smells so good. And then we're gonna put some condiments on here. Y'all, I had a whole salad I was supposed to eat today, but I've been running around doing everything, cleaning up. But I put the condiments on here because it spins, so I like that. We got her from Marshall's. Just put the napkins here. Potbelly hooked us up with placing napkins, honey, okay? But yes, they subs bang. They, you know, have the little cater trays or whatever of subs. So I think I'm gonna leave the sub boxes right here because it's like really big actually. I hope y'all having a good day. I hope y'all in positive spirits. I know I probably said that earlier, but I just really hope y'all are. Thank y'all so much for hanging with me today. I really appreciate it. Look, it's not even the end of the video, but I'm just so appreciative of having y'all here. But yeah, so I'm gonna sit this right here, fam. And then we just leave it right here. And then we have the condiments there. I'm gonna move this stuff out the way. I probably keep my flowers there. I don't know yet. But yeah, the party is almost about to start. We just waiting on the pizza and chicken. Jackie went to go pick that up. And we still waiting on the guy to mount the TV, bruh. He taking so long. Black folks. You try to get black folk business? Let me stop. Whew. Support black businesses, y'all. Period.